Our happiness depends on just one thing, our perspective towards our problems. Hello friends, this is Anjali Mishra and I am back with an amazing book review for this week. So the name of this book is 10 Keys to Attain Happiness and it's written by Rajat Khatri and the publication house which published is Events Publication. The best part about this book is that every single word which is written in this book comes from author's personal experience. This is a well-researched book. Now, not waste the time and get started with the book. So, from the very beginning, author have talked about very dark phases of his life where he almost thought of giving up. But something was there inside him which stopped him, which motivated him. And there was a point when he realized, I can't live my life like this. I need to change this. If you want to be happy, you need to peep inside yourself. That's the only thing which is important for you. And that's what author wants to say. You don't need someone else or something else for your happiness. You can be happy just by being you, just by being alone. So you don't need anyone else. And that's the whole point. What exactly happiness is, no one can explain because happiness differs from person to person. Maybe something makes me happy and that's not going to make you happy. I will be happy when I do meditation, I get a new book, I feel blissful about that. And that's what makes me happy. Maybe that's not going to make you happy. Maybe you will be happy when you achieve something, when you achieve your goal, when you get good grades. That's what going to make you happy. There are different states of happiness, like pleasure of life, joy of giving, happiness from materialistic things, the glee of success, and the long-lasting happiness is nirvana, which is also known as blissfulness. Once you achieve nirvana, you don't need anything else to be happy. The most important thing is to enjoy your life. That's what all matters. Nothing else matters for you. You need to enjoy every moment, every bit of your life. Once you start enjoying every small thing in your life, you will never be sad, you will never be depressed about anything because you're enjoying your life. Enjoy your life like you're not going to survive the next day. Tomorrow is never going to come. Enjoy because this can be your last day. No one knows what's going to happen tomorrow. So you don't need to worry about tomorrow. You need to live today. And till you are going to carry the burden of your past, burden of your yesterday, you're not going to be happy, you're not going to be satisfied. You need to leave that burden, you need to leave the tension, whatever pressure you have about your career, about your future, you need to leave that. You need to enjoy today and you just need to work hard for your tomorrow. You don't need to think about your tomorrow that what if you're not going to survive? Where is all that hard work is gone because you're not going to survive tomorrow. So you just need to think about today. Enjoy your life and that's what's going to make you happy. Nothing else can make you happy. The author has explained all the 10 points from which you can attain happiness. And the very important thing is your me time. The time which you spend with yourself. This can be 20 to 30 minutes from your daily life. You just need to take out those 20 to 30 minutes for yourself and you need to spend time with yourself. And you need to relax your body. You need to take intervals from your busy life. The next thing is self-love. Almost everyone is talking about self-love these days because people are in depression, people are sad, they are going through really tough time and almost everyone is talking about self-love. But no one is telling what is self-love. So self-love is give priority to yourself before anyone, before your family, your friends, your society, anyone. The next thing is keep learning new things. Whether it can be cooking, dancing, singing, anything. Never limit yourself to just one thing. I know you will be thinking, why should I learn these things when I am not going to add them into my resume? But are you living your life just to make a proper resume in your life? I don't think so. Now I'm going to tell you what are the other activities which you can do to be healthy and happy. So the first thing is do not limit yourself. Don't limit yourself just to one room. Go outside, enjoy the nature, praise the beauty of the nature, and go out of your comfort zone. Try new things, eat new food, travel to new places, try new things, try everything you want to do in your life. Learn how to praise yourself, clap for yourself, whether you are successful or not. Clap for yourself, because whatever you are now, you are the only person who have seen ups and downs of your life. No, neither your family, neither your friends, no one have seen your struggle, no one have seen your journey. You are the only person you are here just because of yourself. And that's what our mistake is. We never choose happiness over money. We always choose money over happiness. And the next thing is, we always run to be superior. We always chase to be superior. We are never happy with ourselves. We always want to be someone else, and we always want to be something else. That's the thing what always makes us unhappy. Once you accept yourself the way you are happy. You don't need anything else. And the silly criteria which says we need to work hard, will be success, and then we are going to be happy. But it's totally wrong. You don't need to be successful to be happy. Next key to be happy is appreciate everyone. Appreciate everyone who is around you. Appreciate your family, appreciate your friends, appreciate your partner for keeping this relationship happy, healthy, and alive. Show gratitude towards people. Say thank you to everyone. Say thank you for everything, whatever you are grateful for. And whenever a down phase comes to your life, when you are unhappy, when you are depressed, when you are sad, just do one thing. I'm going to tell you one exercise that's going to help you for your whole life. You just need to take out a paper and a pen and start writing for every single thing you are grateful for. I am healthy. I'm grateful that I am healthy. I'm grateful that I have a family. I'm grateful that I have friends. I'm grateful that I have food to eat. I'm grateful that I have enough money to survive. I'm grateful that I have a house to live. Start writing every single thing you are grateful for. And once you finalize all that, you have a proper list for everything you are grateful for, then you will understand you were just depressed or sad for one single thing. And just neglect that thing. You are happy for so many things. You have so many reasons to be happy. Then why you chose to be sad or depressed just for one thing? And this exercise works really well for me, and I want you all to try this. And try this now. Take out a paper and take out a pen and start writing every single thing you are grateful for. 10 keys to attain happiness in your life. And this was all about this particular book. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell button. So whenever I upload a new video, you will be getting a notification. So stay happy, stay healthy, stay calm, stay safe.